So welcome to new exercise. This is part number 6. Here we'll use commands as revolve, hole, specific hole, circular pattern and extrude cut. Let's get started. First time we go on front plane, sketch, we will draw an axis and the half of contour of that cylinder. Start by adding some dimensions. This diameter is 300, 195, 87 here, 80.3 here, this is 70. Okay. Here is 30. 38. And here 40. This is 5. And I think it's full constraint, yes. Super. So go now on futures, revolve. Okay. We will make that specific hole. So we will go here on hole wizard. Hole wizard. Okay. We will choose top pane as a position. Top pane. Okay. Normal view. So we have here the circle of 150. Make it as a construction. Dimension 150. Make a little axis here. And dimension it. 22.2 degree. Okay. So now we will go on type. We choose this custom type. Here counterbore drilled. Diameter here is 23. Depth is okay. Through all. Counterbore. Here we have 35. 100 degree is okay. We will make the second hole with Cad extrude. So sketch. We will draw the construction circle here. We'll choose it and make it as a construction one. Dimension it as a 254. 254. Okay. And here we have this line to give it a dimension. .45 degrees, okay. make a circle here 23.5. Okay, futures, extrude cut, through all. Okay. Now we will use circular pattern. As a direction, put this circle from inside. Features, we select this hole and this cut extrude. 4 is okay. Top plane, normal view. So we need to make that little circle. So circle, sketch circle, go here circle, draw some axes, so here we have 60. And also here 60, and diameter is 12. Feature, extrude cut, through all, it's okay. So that was it. Have a good day.